We're at the top of a very glamorous building here in sparkling sunshine. It's my great pleasure to welcome you to this live, exciting launch of FDF, or Finished Dosage Formulation.
FDF, Finished Dose Form, is probably the one thing which in our world is taken for granted. Our customers, the patients, really don't have any understanding of what goes into the finished dose form. They take it for granted. They expect it to be effective. They expect it to be safe.
Intellectual property has to be made into a physical product that can be delivered to the patient. And that's really what the finished dose form is about.
And why do you think it's important that FDF has its own dedicated zone at CPhI?
Having that oversight to ensure that it's not just about bringing the product to market, but make sure that it's continuously available throughout its lifetime, which for some of the medicines we've even heard about today, they're available and used and very commonly prescribed for decades.
It was interesting having a doctor's point of view here. You were talking about labelling challenges, the frustrations with patient information labels. So that's an interesting point that maybe when we talk to people in big pharma, we don't hear that point of view so much, but to hear the patient-facing side of things and the problems that need solutions, that was interesting.
Is there a kind of gold standard? Because you're looking at bioavailability, you're dealing with human beings. So how do you ensure best compliance?
First of all, the ability to administer at home rather than have to go to a clinic to have it administered.
What we wanted to do was to really actually get under the skin of the industry, or at least start that conversation, and then really hopefully ignite the rest of the market in talking about it. And as I said, coming on the journey with us, and we want them there at the event in October, so I think it was a wonderful springboard for what we want to achieve.
The challenge in delivering such an event is in the success of attracting players from all segments of the formulated product supply chain.
The arrival of this exciting new exhibition reflects the huge growth in dosage formulations in the pharma market, and this will gather together everyone in one place, the whole supply chain in one location. It's going to be a global meeting point for the finished formulations industry.
It was very informative. I certainly learned a lot listening to Alan and Paul, and getting an appreciation for what the FDF event itself will be all about. So I thought it was terrific and very well done.
Going forward, I think we will do similar events. We will have various touch points going to the launch in October, and I think on site, we will make use of this medium as well.
Thank you from all of us here, and see you again soon.